Hello guys, welcome to another video of TechxNishant. In this video, I'll be explaining about the AND function of Excel. AND function of Excel either gives true as result or false as result, but it gives true only if and only if all the criteria or condition satisfies. Else, it will give us false. Even one condition is not satisfied in AND function, the result which we will get is false. So here we are going to provide a scholarship to, our aim is to provide a scholarship to those students who are either, no sorry, who are female and less than 30 years, and they belong to SC category. We are provided with the table which has gender, age, category, general, OBC and SC. So we are going to find out who will be given the scholarship, who are eligible to get the scholarship. So here we'll start. Equals to, and bracket starts, gender equal to female, female in double quotes because it is text. Oh, I have used FAMALE. Say age less than 30 and category equal to SC. If all the criteria are satisfied, then we'll get true as result. So here we got false as result because we haven't used correct condition. Spelling of female, here we can see I have used FAMALE. So all the result criteria for scholarship provided is false. No one gets scholarship. Because there's the gender category doesn't satisfies the condition. Female, gender female, I have used in function as FAMALE. That's why it has given all the result as false. Let me format it. Okay, not a single satisfies all the given criteria to get scholarship because uh, the female's spelling is wrong in the AND function, the AND formula. I'll show you. So see, when I'm using correct formula with all the conditions given, equal to and gender equal to female in double quotes, age less than 30, and category equals to SC. It will give us true. If all the criteria are satisfied, then it will give us true, else it will give us false. So see, here we got 3 as true. 1 2 3. Here we have got female as well as the females age is less than 30 and she belongs to SC category. So guys, hope I have made you able to understand how AND function works. How was the video? Give a thumbs up, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.